This week on the Crypt, Bitcoin reaches a record high. Ripple replaces Ethereum briefly as the world's second biggest cryptocurrency. And Dash is in a hurry, doubling its value in 2 weeks. Hello and welcome to the Crypt, your weekly roundup of cryptocurrency, the tech behind it, and the news. And hopefully we'll have a little fun along the way. We welcome any feedback, so get in touch. Let's start with the continuing Bitcoin boom, reaching an all-time market high of $1,700 on Tuesday, and then surging again to cross the $1,800 mark on Thursday, adding $3 billion to the market cap in 4 days. Is there no end in sight for this bit boom? And why is this happening right now? Well, one factor could be the explosion of other altcoins, with over 40 ICOs this year. So by selling their tokens in exchange for Bitcoin, this has led to a higher demand for Bitcoin and possibly the price rise we've seen. The Winklevoss Brothers Exchange Traded Fund is also up for review, having been booted out by the Securities and Exchange Commission the first time round. So if that gets the nod, institutional investors would surely jump on the Bitcoin train, driving the price further. Also, according to Bitcoin.com, the Japanese have keenly embraced Bitcoin since the country recognized the currency as a legal method of payment, leading to an explosion of interest there, which may have also contributed to the rises. And on May the 2nd, Cointelegraph revealed that South Korea officially became the largest Ethereum exchange market in the world, taking over from China and the US for the first time. There may be a change in the pecking order too, as according to the same source, Ethereum was briefly usurped by Ripple as the second largest cryptocurrency. There seems to be definitely a tussle at the top, but only time will tell what happens. So what's rippling? The Ripple price has recorded a huge increase recently, peaking on May the 8th. Ripple does seem to have captured the imagination of multi-billion-dollar banks, with some of the surge in Ripple owing to a collaborative Japanese banking consortium who call themselves rather catchily the Japanese Bank Consortium. They've formed to harness the power of Ripple in the region. So what of Ethereum? As we know, the price of Ether has gone up 10 times in the past 3 months alone, starting from $10 per token in February to touching $100 in May, with more and more people diversifying from Bitcoin into the currency and massive profits being reaped by early adopters. The price plummeted in value, causing a panic amongst investors on Tuesday the 9th, before largely recovering on Wednesday. So why did this happen? Well, one reason could be that Kraken, the currency exchange, was bludgeoned by a distributed denial of service attack. This and a large Ethereum liquidation spooked the market. Kraken said that the two events were not related. They went on to say that the DDoS attack on its service was unavoidable. Phew, well that's all right then. Oh, wait a minute, where's my wallet? The Litecoin price has been on the rise this week following its adoption by Coinbase on May the 3rd. And this week has seen Litecoin starting to implement segregated witness or SegWit to the platform, which should ramp up transaction speeds. You need to Google that. On to Dash, the crypto created in 2014, originally called Dark Coin, which was a bit weird. Dash's big thing is security, and it sees itself as an anonymous alternative to Bitcoin, and it's on the up, with its price booming, wait for it, more than 100% in the last few weeks. Insane. So what's the next big thing? Well, billionaire investor Tim Draper, the guy known for buying 30,000 Bitcoin, is backing a new ICO. Tezos. The Tezos launch is due on May the 22nd this year, and you can register for Tezos now. Well, we'll see what happens. But look, investing in cryptocurrency is mightily hazardous. Do not lose your birthday money. We at the Crypt are just starting our journey in reporting what's going down in this exciting new environment. If you've got any stories or indeed opinion about what we're doing, drop us a line at thecrypt@telejuice.com. Thanks for watching The Crypt, your weekly roundup of the cryptocurrency news. Join us on Twitter and Facebook. Drop us a coin, Ethereum or Bitcoin, we're not fussy, or even sponsor the show. But more importantly, join us next week for more crypto news. Bye bye for now. Don't lose all your money.